Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video my friends I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul. It's quite small, but here we go. Okay, so first my friends, you know the Dollar Tree rices. These are cooked rice, heat and eat rice. These are makes good lunches my friends. If you're in a haste to prepare lunch, grab yourself a couple of these and keep them in your cupboards, because these heat and eat rice are very good. It takes about a minute to heat up, and it's just plain rice and some salt and oil that's in here, but it is so good my friends. You can't go wrong with these. And I got myself some basmati and some jasmine, just plain white. I got these two, so when I cook meat I can bring some for lunch, and these just warm nicely in the microwave. You can do them also on stovetop, so if you are living in a van, these are very good to have. Already cooked rice. And I got some of these, my friend. These are head wraps. So these are headbands. They now come in the 6-pack of pure black. Usually I'll find these and they have the mixture of color, but I like just pure black, just to hold my hair in place. I find that these are good. 6 for $150, I believe it is now. But these are so good in all black and elastic band. Great when you're doing workout and stuff. To have these head wraps, headbands, very nice. All 6 for $150. Now, new finds for me, my friends. These are actually paint markers. These are markers that's actually paint. Love it. You can use it on wood, canvas. You also can use it on paper, of course. And it's just a paintbrush. These are new finds to me, my friends. I was looking for these in Michael's and they were quite expensive, but at the Dollar Tree they were only $1.25 for these. So make sure you go out and get these. Now I bought these. One blue, pink, and I also got a purple and yellow. The selections weren't all that great because, you know, I was looking for reds and browns and stuff, but they didn't have it. But these ones are pretty good. I bought these, my friends, because I've gotten a sudden interest in learning to draw. So I bought this. It's a sketch pad, quite thin, quite nice. I am learning to draw. I am also learning to do different style of writing. I can't remember what it's called now. And I've been looking at videos online, and I've been watching this guy called Man Who Bullet. Mark, I think is his name. And Mark show you how to do the alphabet in different styles, so you know you can make it fancy when you're writing and stuff like that. So I've gotten so interested in it, and I am not going out to Michael's to buy expensive drawing paper or sketch pad. So I bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's possible $1.50. I spent about $27 on everything, and so this is why I bought the paint. So I'm gonna do a couple of designs and just kind of be a little bit creative, and yeah, try and check Mark out, Man Who Bullet. And yeah, okay. And then also along with this, I also got one of these pads too. These are cotton pads, and the quality is really good. I was surprised to see it in the Dollar Tree, so I'm keeping it because I am going to also try and do some making my own stamps and stuff, just to be on the creative side, my friends. Oh my gosh, I just feel this sudden urge to learn how to draw, to be a little bit more creative. So I picked up this picked up the sketch pads and the paint markers to start my journey on painting. It's a paint. It yeah. So it you have to hold it down, of course, and let it drip a little bit, and then you paint with it. It is pretty cool. Michaels does have these. Two of my friends, and these were like $3-4 at Michael, and I said, "Oh, you know what, let me, since I'm just starting out on this drawing painting thing, I'm gonna use this up, and I'm gonna let you know what I think." And what I also got was a bunch of stickers, all for $1.25. I'm going to show you guys in another video. So that's it, my friends. This is all that I did today. That's my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.